Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am discussing about the reinforced cement concrete or reinforced concrete structures. Don't worry friends, easily clear and easily score in this subject with help of the IS code 456-2000. This code book is allowed for examination also. The reinforced concrete syllabus have 6 units for diploma students. This syllabus is similar to the BTech people also. Now we go to the first unit. In this first unit we have 10 theory topics. Don't get feel bored to learn these theory topics because the basic topics are very important to understand the what is RCS subject, and in interviews and other competitive exams and entrance exams ask few questions from these basic topics. So we should learn these basic topics are necessarily. Now we go to the first topic, introduction to RCC, reinforced cement concrete. First of all, we want to know that what is concrete. Concrete is a mixture of cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and water. Cement is used for binder. Fine aggregate is a voice filler. Coarse aggregate gives strength to the concrete. And water used for hydration purpose. And workability purpose. In nowadays, concrete structures have becoming very common in civil engineering construction because of its high compressive strength, and it's adaptable to take any form and shape, and resistance to fire and corrosion, and with negligible maintenance cost also. Next, what is RCC? Why we use RCC? The plain concrete is very strong in compression but weak in tension. The permissible tensile stress in concrete equal to the 1/10 of the permissible compressive stress in concrete. Its low tensile strength is compensated by introducing steel reinforcement in the tension zone. This is the compression zone and this is the tension zone. These are the steel bars used for tensile reinforcement and increase the tensile stress in concrete. The resultant composite mass is known as the reinforced cement concrete, RCC. Why we use steel in concrete? Because it is cheap and easily available material, and it possesses high tensile strength and elasticity. It develops good bond with concrete, and the coefficient of expansion of steel is nearly equal to the coefficient of expansion of concrete. These are the reasons to we use steel in concrete compared to the other high tensile strength materials. Second topic is code of practice for RCC design. In our country, all reinforced concrete structural design is conformed to the recently revised Indian Standard Code IS 456-2000. IS Indian Standard Code, 4th revision. This is the code of IS 456-2000, Indian Standard Plain and Reinforced Concrete Code of Practice, 4th revision. This is used for examination also. The Bureau of Indian Standards BIS have released over the years several handbooks to facilitate concrete structural designs. Some are the SP 16 1980, SP 24 1983, SP 34 1987, SP 23 1982, SP stands for Special Publication. SP 16 used for design aids of reinforced concrete to IS 456, and SP 24 is explanatory handbook on IS 456. That means explanation of the IS 456. And SP 34 is used for concrete reinforcement detailing. And SP 23 1982 is used for concrete mixes. Now we go to the third topic, concrete mix proportions. This topic is available in the IS code 456-2000, page number 22. You don't copy the content as it is from the code book because it is not considered for your valuation of your answer sheet. The better way is you understand the topic and write it in your own words. The tables and other charts you copy as easily. It's considered for valuation. The main objectives of the concrete mix proportion is select the optimum proportions of various ingredients of concrete, that is cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water. The optimum proportions to attain the required workability, strength and durability. Within the minimum cost, the workability, strength, durability are the main properties of the concrete. The concrete mix proportioning is done by following two ways. One is the nominal mix concrete and second is the design mix concrete. In nominal mix concrete, the proportions of cement, aggregate and water are nominally adapted. This is used for small works and routine works. and it requires high content of cement. Proportions for nominal mixed concrete is available in table 9 of IS 456 2000. Generally, nominal mixed concrete grade is less than or equal to the M20. Um, the nominal mixed concrete proportions for M5 grade is 1 is to 5 is to 10. For M7.5 grade concrete, 1 is to 4 is to 8. For M10 grade concrete, 1 is to 3 is to 6. For M15 grade concrete, 1 is to 2 is to 4. For M20 grade concrete, the mixed proportion is 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. The next topic is design mixed concrete. In design mixed concrete, the proportions of cement, aggregate, water and mineral admixtures are actually designed. The design mixed concrete used for all important works involving large quantities of concrete. Over the years, several mixed design methods have been developed in design mixed concrete. Some are the minimum voice method, maximum density method, fineness modulus method, road research laboratory method. RRL method, American Concrete Institute method, ACA method. And the last one is IS code method, Indian Standard Code method. These last two methods are we commonly used for design mixed concrete. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will provide PDF material link in my description after completion of first unit.